watching Nitish21. What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. So this video is going to be us just testing out the actual microphone that I got for the car. It pretty much just feeds in right through here to the GoPro that I'm using, and then it goes to the back of the car, and I have it on the license plate. So this time we're running it a little bit higher near the top, and we're going to see how that goes. I don't know if it's going to be too loud or if it's going to distort, but like, check out the video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'm thinking of maybe setting it up on the sunroof at the back. Once the sunroof opens, it actually extends to the back, and maybe if I can put it over there, it'll be out of the actual exhaust like volume quite a bit, and that'll sound a lot better. So let me know what you guys think. Check out this little cruise that we did between the AMG, my buddy's Mustang GT, which is sounding absolutely fantastic, by the way. It's stock exhaust, but it's active exhaust, and we're probably still gonna make it a little bit louder and do some mods to it very soon. So check out the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.